Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on your Mac Mini. You have to start by click at the Apple logo, now go to settings, then scroll down and you should find wallpaper. So just click on it and now you have a lot of options what to choose. You can also add a photo, click add a photo from photos and choose this one, or you can use presets here. So let's say I want to add this one, so I click here and I'm just changing it, and it's the same with photos. So I'm just choose the best one for you, let's say this one, and as you can see I'm just changing. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!